Well, okay, it's been 7 or 8 months since we've been able to get back on this job. We're scraping all the dirt off the pad here. It's had so much rain. A lot of clovers growing everywhere. We're gonna take that dirt and lose it out of here. But we're getting it all mowed up. Looking good, looking better. But we've had so much rain this year, more than I've ever seen this year out of the 20 years I've been in business. Yeah, buddy, we're gonna build a little road right through here, back to the back of that truck. Get all this clover mowed down. We got one big pond to dig here in the back, 200 feet long, 5 foot deep. Another pond in the front, 60 by 60, 5 foot deep. For holding, try to help keep the house from flooding over here. Is the main reason why we're doing these ponds. We built the house too low. Watch this crazy guy here tomorrow. Let's run over. That's all busted around. Anyway, you need a road, pad, or pond built, give me a call. Frank Blumberg, Blumberg Backhoe Service, 361-396-2455. Have a great day.